burpee combination, mixed burpees. We're gonna explosive some burpees. That's what I like to do with my burpees routine. Next one, gotta do burpee toe touch. So next one, toe burpees with clapping. Burpees push up with clap. Quarter time. that's it. Remember, don't forget to inspire the person that you see and meet. And motivation then. Alright, so we can live a better life. To stay fit and strong. Alright, it's all about this challenge. For you to stay fit and strong. But you can lose a lot of weight, burn a lot of calories. But if you don't want to, I can eat whatever I want. But I have to exercise. For me, I like to do some exercise for the next day. So that's why I'm here. I love burpees. I'm gonna keep exploring those burpees to build up my fitness and for me to stay on top on my routine. Alright. Next one, in and out burpees with leg raise. Next one is called toe touch. Next one, it's called 5 push Superman. 5 burpees Superman. That's it. That's it. Explosive burpees done. And 250 burning fat burpees done. That's it. Today's my day. Day 8 of 100 days straight. Right, this challenge. Once I skip, once I miss a day, I'm done. I'm not gonna do anymore. For me to stay strong, it's up here. Doesn't matter. My body tells me that's enough. My mind I can listen to my mind. When my mind stay strong, I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna throw it down. So that's it. Day 7, day 8 today. Still a long way to go. It's 100 days challenge for 100 burpees. Like I say, when I miss, I'm done. I'm not gonna do it again. Thanks to all my team, my family, and my friends for supporting. Like I say, we in this for long running, for us to stay strong and stay fit and stay active around our kids and our family, especially we in this hard time. So my workout, my burpees routine done for Monday. My wife's day 7 today, done. Shout out to my team, me, Tyler, still at work. Alright, stay safe and don't work too hard, work smart. Leta, Munti, my bro Cliff, my bro Ricky, Lance and Kirsomi. Much love and respect to you all doing this burpees routine behind. Keep going and stay strong. Love you all. Let me know if you need help for diet and also workout to make you feel better, to get you through what you want. Don't embarrass, don't be shy to message me. Send me a message on Facebook. I'm 24 hours, 7 days. Let's go.